So, ito na yung activity number 1. Find the next term and the common difference of the following. Okay, ito sa example na binigay ko, which is 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Ang D ko, or yung common difference na nakuha ko is 3. Paano nakuha yung 3 na common difference? Okay, so, kung mapapansin nyo yung pattern from 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, nagdadagdag tayo ng 3. So, nagdadagdag or plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18. So, therefore, the next term is 21. 18 plus 3 is 21. Okay, now, so paano gawing mas madali na makuha ang common difference? Ang gagawin natin para mas madali makuha ang common difference, i-minus natin yung pumapangalawang term sa naunang term. Halimbawa, pipili tayo ng dalawang magkatabing terms. Itong 15 at saka 18. Okay, yung pangalawang term, ima-minus natin sa nauna. So, 18 minus 5 is positive 3. So, kung ito naman yung pipiliin natin, yung 12 at 15, 15 minus 12 is 3. Okay, 12 minus 9, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. Or any two terms na magkatabi, pwede na nating makuha yung common difference. Next, number 2. 1, 6, 11, 16, 21. Okay, kung mapapansin ninyo, nagdadagdag tayo ng 5. Pipili tayo ng dalawang term na magkatabi, tas ima-minus natin. 21 minus 16 is 5. 16 minus 11 is 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. Therefore, ang common difference natin ay 5. Yun yung dinadagdag natin. Okay, again, 1 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 5, 16 plus 5, 21. Okay, plus 5, the answer is 26. Sa number 3, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6. Okay, ang common difference natin is negative 2. Bakit negative? Kung positive 2 ang nilagay natin dito, 6 plus 2, magiging 8 na ang next term. Okay, kung plus 2 yun, 14 plus 2, dapat 16 dito. Okay, so mali na yung sequence natin. Okay, bakit negative 2? Again, pili tayo ng dalawang term na magkatabi. Yung 8 at saka 6. Ima-minus natin yung pangalawa sa nauna. So, 6 minus 8. The answer is negative 2. 8 minus 10. The answer is negative 2. 10 minus 12. The answer is negative 2. 12 minus 14. The answer is negative 2. Therefore, the common difference is negative 2. So, 4 plus negative 2 is 12 plus negative 2, 10 plus negative 2, 8 plus negative 2, 6 plus negative 2, the answer is 4. Okay, so number 4. 8, 5, 2, negative 1, negative 4. The common difference is negative 3. Bakit negative 3 ang common difference? Pipili tayo ng any two terms na magkatabi. Okay, let's try 5 and 2. Okay, tapos ima-minus natin yung pumapangalawa sa nauna. So, 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So, kahit dalawang terms lang yung ima-minus natin, makukuha na natin yung common difference. Okay, try natin yung 8 and 5. 5 minus 3 is negative 8. Kung nakakalito yung negative 1 tsaka negative 4, kahit ito lang yung pagkukuha na natin ng common difference. Okay, so negative 3 ang common difference. Therefore, negative 4 plus negative 3, the answer is negative 7. Okay, so medyo nakakalito. Okay, pansinin natin yung difference ng number 1 at number 2, number 3, and number 4. So, dun sa number 1 and number 2, ang difference niya or ang common difference niya is positive. Sa number 3 and number 4, ang common difference niya is negative. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo sa number 1 and number 2, ang numbers pataas. Kaya positive ang common difference. So, sa number 3 and number 4, kung mapapansin ninyo, ang numbers niya or ang terms niya is from mataas pababa. So, that's why negative ang common difference. Okay, so ganun lang yun. Isa lang yun sa way para malaman mo kung positive o negative ba ang common difference mo. Kapag yung sequence mo is from mababa pataas na terms, positive. Okay, kung mula sa mataas pababa ang terms, negative ang common difference.